Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest news from the world of aviation. Today, we have some exciting news for you straight from Poland. According to the Minister of Defense, Polish Air Force pilots will soon be flying one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world, the F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor is one of the most technologically advanced fighter jets in the world, and it's no surprise that the minister called it one of the most modern aircraft in the world. The arrival of the F-22 Raptor is a significant moment for the Polish Air Force. We are proud to be able to train and operate alongside the United States Air Force to strengthen our national defense, Mariusz Błaszczak said. The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation fighter jet that boasts advanced avionics, stealth technology, and superior performance capabilities. With its unmatched speed and agility, the F-22 Raptor is designed to outmaneuver any enemy aircraft. The F-22 Raptor that will be operated by the Polish Air Force belongs to the U.S. Air Force's 94th Squadron. These newly arrived Raptors will replace the F-15E Strike Eagle, which has served the Polish Air Force well for many years. The F-15E Strike Eagle is a proven fighter jet with an excellent combat record. However, it's time for the Polish Air Force to upgrade to a more advanced fighter jet to keep up with the changing nature of modern warfare. The arrival of the F-22 Raptor marks a new year for the Polish Air Force, and we can't wait to see these advanced fighter jets in action. The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation fighter jet equipped with state-of-the-art technology that makes it virtually invisible to radar. It's a game-changer in aerial combat with unmatched speed, agility, and firepower. Poland's acquisition of the F-22 Raptor is a major milestone for their Air Force and a significant development in the global military landscape. It shows Poland's commitment to modernizing its military and enhancing its capabilities in the region. The F-22 Raptor is a symbol of strength, power, and innovation. With Poland now part of the elite club of nations operating this stealth fighter, the future of air combat has never looked brighter. That's all for now. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting news from the world of aviation. Thanks for watching.